Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to my presentation this time. I hope my presentation isn't going to take too long and that you will find it interesting. Before presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Cepi Nur Pauji with NPM 212151019 from Mathematics Education, Siliwangi University. The purpose of today's presentation is to discuss the importance of understand the function and purpose of education. Now, let me begin by explaining the definition of education. Secondly, explain the purpose of education. Thirdly, mention the function of education. And finally, explaining the type of education. Okay, then the first material is the definition of education. Education is the learning of knowledge, skill, and habit of a group of people that are passed down from one generation to the next through teaching, training, or research. And then the purpose of the education is in the Constitution number 20 of 2003 concerning the national education system. 3 articles state that the purpose of education is to develop the potential of students to become human beings who believe and fear God Almighty, have noble character, are healthy, knowledgeable, capable, creative, independent, and become democratic citizens as well responsible. Next is the function of education. According to Harten and Hahn, educational institutions are related to manifest function is prepare community members to earn a living, develop individual talent for personal satisfaction and for the benefit of society, preserving culture, instilling the skill necessary for participation in democracy, and finally is the type of education. First is formal education. This type of education is a type of education that is structured and has level ranging from early childhood education, elementary school, junior high school, senior high school, and college student. Secondly is non-formal education. Non-formal education is an educational path outside of formal education which is carried out in stage and in a structured manner. Example include course institution, taklim council, playgroup, studios, and others. Third is informal education. This education comes from the family and environment where students are expected to learn more independently. Example of this informal education are religion, character, ethic, manners, moral, and socialization. So many presentation for me. If anyone has any question, please feel free to ask me and I'll do my best to answer.
Me, sir.
Okay, Kitty, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So my question is education important for the younger generation? If it is important, why is education important for the younger generation?
Okay, so yes, it is very important because to prevent a generation that is not knowledgeable, education will be able to help a person understand what things are good and right. Creating a young generation of intelligent nation through education can create a young generation who have moral values and high integrity. Anyone else want to ask? Okay, maybe there is nothing more to ask, then we will end this discussion session. Finally, I'd like to finish by thanking you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.